Hi! So we came to the park here near the school. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dayen Pcdljn vlogs. So today we are going to play and take a rest. We just came from the school. It's just an hour, almost 2 hours, an hour and a half of play school here in town proper. The school of RAYA is just nearby, and the park here is just close to the school, so we decided to drop by here so RAYA can play. This is my new haircut, guys, so I can save some shampoo and time shampooing. I think they're behind the slides, so we need to be closer so we can take more shots. So Raya today is with her dad. We asked her dad to accompany us so I can vlog and use this as a content. As much as possible, we try to take Raya to the park so she can socialize. Most of the time, she only plays alone using her gadgets or my mobile phone. But now, since we are in the town proper, we are making use of this time to let her socialize so that she can develop and grow as, you know, as normal individual, normal kid. There are a lot of kids here, but she is happy playing alone or, you know, playing with her dad. Good thing that she is trying to hold still in the seesaw. Nice, you're doing a great job. Alwadam ang ako, baka may biglang nga iba pa. Are you happy with that seesaw? Hold tight. Imbagam. Gaman na nga na siya at. Careful, no, don't go down yet. Wait. You wanna go down? No, don't go down. Lakay katama. Careful. Lakay, tarayan. Lakay. No. She almost bite. Sorry. She almost bite the kid. Good thing that I was able to stop her on time. Dito na sis. Okay. Okay, so after playing, excuse lang ah. After playing in that seesaw, they move here. You bump your head? Careful. Careful. Oops, sorry. Put this on. Hold tight, hold tight. Hold tight, hold. You're holding it. Very good. Ibabam lang laka. Ibabam gamin lang. And na may tantrums. Ayan. Careful. Oops. Sige, hayaan mo lang siya kung anong gusto niya. We're letting her play. Kahit ano yung gawin niya. Halimbawa yan. Push up, push down. As long as she doesn't hurt others or herself. Yan, hahabulin na naman niya yung bata doon. Hippopotamus. Picture, I'll take a picture of you. Lakay ka, ma'am. Sige, lakay. Simpam lang ta. Sakto tayo ag-screenshotan. Sige, pasya mo lang siya. Saan niyo gusto sa slide? Sige, kung saan niyo gusto, habulin mo na lang. Yun na sa may ano ba yun? Adi baka nga duyaw. Well. Paluga naman ano kaya't na tiniduyaw. Very good. Ikaw matay compliment mo. Ano ka? Slide. Slide down. Slide na, slide. Very good. Very good. One more time. One more. Get up. Up. Go to daddy.
Oh, balls.
Albadam laki na baking kasi tapos tumama sa baba niya. Up. Down. Up. Sakay ka. Yan ni yellow. Napudot gamin. Lakay, Agyamatam, Agyamatam. Sige na, plaro na. Albert is trying to explain the condition of Raya. To the other kids. Break time. Suot mo na.
Hindi, magtara.
Supa mo na.
Kalawang kami na niya.
Ano? Laka, mamaya man ano yun. Cover na, cover. Cover. Very good. Very good. Wait lang, hold on. Wait lang. Punasan mo yung pa ng ano, Ning? Punasan mo yung pa ng di towel na.
Ay.
Wipe your mouth. There you go. We're going home. Bye na. Bye. Yep. We're going home. Raya looks normal, but she has autism.
Down.
She has red flags of autism. So she was diagnosed autism spectrum disorder with autism spectrum disorder. We're gonna take a tricycle. Yeah. Okay. Sanman, go, Sanman. Sakay na. Oops, ay, dandan. Di ka likodan na. Uy, mga lak. Uwi na. Hi, bye-bye.